Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mara's Tech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily speed up your Windows 11 laptop or PC using a few simple methods. Let's get started. Method number 1, adjust for best performance. First, go to the Start menu and click on Settings. If you don't see it right away, just type Settings in the search bar and it will appear. Now go to System, then scroll down and click on About. It will be at the bottom. Next, click on Advanced System Settings, then click on Settings under the Performance section. Here, select Adjust for Best Performance, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. This will turn off visual effects and boost overall performance. Method number 2, turn off privacy services. Again, go to the Start menu and click on Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security, then go to the General section. Here, turn off all unnecessary background services that are collecting data. This reduces resource usage and speeds up your system. Method number 3, disable startup apps. Once more, go to the Start menu and open Settings. In the search bar, type Startup Apps and click on it. Now disable any apps that you don't need to run at startup. This will help your laptop or PC boot faster. Alternatively, you can do this through the Task Manager as well. Just right-click on the taskbar, open Task Manager, and go to the Startup tab. Method number 4, enable game mode. Lastly, go to the Start menu and open Settings. In the search bar, type Game Mode, then click on it. Turn Game Mode on. This helps improve gaming performance by turning off unnecessary background services while you play. And that's it. By following these 4 quick methods, you can boost the speed and performance of your Windows 11 laptop or PC, all without installing any third-party software. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Mara's Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.